While looking for quality headphones within budget, you will undoubtedly find a lot of options, but not all of them can meet your requirements. Nevertheless, if you want to avail one, you should probably go for a trusted brand like OneOdio. They're quite renowned for offering versatile studio quality headphones even at a much affordable price. And luckily, we got to test one of their popular budget over-ear headphones, the OneOdio A70, also known as Fusion A70. But is it worthy enough to be a regular DJ headphone? To find out, we set out to review the OneOdio A70 and get to know about its pros and cons. And in this video, we will be showing you what we learned. So, without any further ado, let's go deep inside. Starting with the unboxing, you will find the headphones folded inside a black pouch that has the OneOdio logo embedded on it. The pouch also contains a 3.5mm audio cable along with a dual-duty called audio cable for 6.35mm and 3.5mm sockets, a USB charging cable, and a user manual. Jumping on the design, the headphone comes with a sharp and shiny black shell with comfy oval-shaped ear cups. Though many of us are not fond of glossy designs, its unique textures are likely to give a DJ vibe overall. You can choose from plenty of colors, and we got the black variant on our hands. Besides, we like the logo on the side and top stitches, which makes it look more stylish. The buttons are also very convenient and placed right on the ear cups. They don't seem chunky at all and are perfectly responsive. Even with such a bulky size, OneOdio managed to keep the headphone very lightweight. Its flexible design is likely to fit on any head perfectly, and you can also adjust the length according to your preference. And the thick padding on top will ensure your head doesn't hurt even after listening for a long time. We loved it while listening to music, and it sets right onto the head without adding any extra weight. Now, let's talk about the main concern, the audio quality. You might wonder that the sound quality might not be good enough considering the price tag. But that's exactly where the A70 surprised us. This headphone delivers excellent sound quality with the dynamic 40mm dual drivers, and you'll be able to listen to every bit of tune from the music. The bass has been elevated to many extents, and that's the first thing you will notice when using this headset. It's quite punchy and provides strong trebles, but it does not make your listening experience harsh at all. While listening to music with higher frequencies, we got more open sound and yet impressive clarity. Though the sharpness of the song seems a bit lost while playing busy songs, we did find it satisfying to our ears. Overall, people who love more bass in the music are certainly going to love the Fusion A70. Moreover, you can use it as a budget alternative DJ headset and it's not gonna disappoint you at all. And another best part of this headphone is you can connect the headphone both via wired and Bluetooth connection. The Bluetooth connection ensured a pretty stable connection from quite some distance. Besides, through the audio outputs, we could connect two sources at the same time. But the microphone was at a mediocre level. But come on, what more can you expect considering the price range? Even with all these features, we were able to listen to music for a long period of time. Its 430 mAh battery takes around 3 hours to get fully charged and could deliver up to 25 hours of non-stop wireless playtime. And if you want unlimited hours of music from the headset, all you have to do is connect it via cables. Certainly, it can be a perfect travel headphone as well with its lightweight design and longer battery life. Overall, the OneOdio Fusion A70 adds emphasized bass to your music, and considering its features yet having such a lower price, we would love to highly recommend it. You can make the A70 a regular travel partner on the go, as its versatile quality and signature sound are sure to amaze you. What do you think of this budget DJ headset? Let us know in the comments below. Like and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.